are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this hotel, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Its review rating is 8.7, which is the excellent. Room category 1. You can see on the screen room details like view, size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Category 9. Category 10. Next, we discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, this is all very high coffee. The location of the hotel is excellent and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 2 p.m. Check-out time of this property is 12 p.m. There are many amenities available online along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking or more details about this hotel, please below in the description. If you have stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property.